Wait a minute. This is not the...
So, you have finally shown yourself all the multiverses.
Who is this?
I have been expecting you, my slave. It's been such a while I was in your nightmare.
Oh, it's you, puppet thing. I have no time for this nonsense. I would need to enter the multiverse to open the timeline with the power of the Phantom Ruby.
Use this mask that will create your new power.
Yes. Awaken my new power.
As you command.
Mordecai and Rigby, I have a job for you two. What is it, Benson? Yeah, anything. I need you two to mow all the lawn around this park. Well, I don't know what happened to Muscle Man, Five, Skips, and Pop, because I'm gonna go look around. No problem, Benson. Yeah, we got this. If you two trying to slack off or trying to play video games, you're fired. Well, I'm gonna look for these guys. I should check on you to come back if you finish these lawns. You got it, Benson. Okay. So, Mordecai. Yeah, Rigby? You wanna mow the lawn together for 4 hours? You better.
You know it, bruh.
Whoa!
Ow! Oh! Oh! Alright, now where are we? Bubbles? You better check this place out. What's up? Oh my god! You know what this means, Hal? Yeah, Bubbles?
We're finally in? Whoa!
Bubbles, look. There's Mordecai and Rigby. Oh my god, we can't believe we're gonna meet them. Ugh, dude. Lawn mowing is cool, Mordecai. Yeah. But wait. Who are those guys? Oh my god. It's Mordecai and Rigby. Wait, how do you know our name? From the TV show you're in. Okay. But why are you here? Well, long story, because your universe is in grave danger. Multiverses. Did you just say multiverses? Like, alternate universe? Oh, you know what this means, Rigby? There's gonna be no jobs for us anymore.
Whoa!
Whoa! Huh. Where do these birds come from? Are they like baby ducks or what? Oh well. I'll let Mordecai and Rigby get rid of them. It doesn't matter.
So, that explains a lot about this multiverse. Yeah, but multiverse that the last time we back to the past to stop our old science teacher, Mr. Ross, because I made a mistake for forging the rejection letters for Mordecai to go to the college university. I see, but one of our friends sent us here to save your timelines and others, like any animations, but you're also animation, so... Oh my god. Oh my god, the lightning. Yeah, the lightning always do that when... I don't know why it's doing it today, after we mow the lawn. Well, because we just put it back to the garage. Oh yeah. You know what? I think I got the bad feeling about this. Me too, bro. What's going on? Yeah. Why is it raining? I know that laugh. It's the Sonic Forces Fanned Up Infinite. We gotta go. No way. Oh my god. Hello there, you three birds and a raccoon. How's it been, my old friend? I mean, did you miss me? Well, I got new flash for you, bird. Whatever it is, Infinite, you're going down. Not so fast. Well, this isn't even my final form, but this will be the end for you. Oh my crud! What have you done to yourself?
Isn't it obvious? Say hello to my new associate, Vinnie from the Five Nights at Candy's. Allow me to meet your new enemies, Monster RWAP and Monster Cat. Kill them, my dear Watson!
Oh man, who are these creeps? Whoever they are, Rigby, they are no good. Well, looks like we changed our mind about not getting jobs again. Well, we always take jobs, but this is our responsibility, Rigby. Yeah! You got it, Mordecai and Rigby. Let's go! Oh, you want me to put a hurt on you? I think you want me to put a hurt on him. I think you want to put a hurt on him. You think you want me to put on him? Yes, I do. Oh my God, those are the reference from the episode, from the beginning. Woo! Yeah! Whoa! Fools! Don't think this is over. Stop talking! Silence! You think you want, but you cannot help everyone in this multiverse. Like Miguel O'Hara says, you are the original how do you say it right? Anomaly? Anomaly! Someday, this time, you have couple weeks or months left until I come back. But don't think this is over. What a windbag! Yeah, dude. Let's not see his ugly face ever again. But that transformation was stupid. Yeah. Well, it's nice knowing you guys. We're helping out. Oh, no problem. But we gotta go back to our own universe so we could help other timelines. Yeah. Nice seeing you, Mordecai and Rigby. Yeah, bro. Whoa! Mordecai and Rigby, what is going on here?